Okay, it's gonna be a short video. I'm gonna show why I have sold most of my car carrier trucks. I went from 10 trucks to only having 2. Most likely I'm gonna sell those 2. Let's do a little search. I'm based in Florida, so I'm gonna show all of Florida to anywhere. We're gonna go for display. We're gonna go for price. Okay, and we're gonna filter out. Let's see, date. Have to be ready in, well, today's Friday, so I'm gonna make sure that we add a little bit more. There you go. So here today in Florida, if you have a car carrier truck, let's see what these are. Okay, so here we are. We have 4 vehicles paying $37 a mile, $3,700. This is going from West Palm Beach to Utah. Okay, let's put that into perspective. West Palm Beach. And we say we were gonna go to Ogden, Utah. Come on. Okay, so we're looking at 36 hours. We're gonna be using. Oh, it was 36 on the other one. Come on now. Well, messed it up. Let me do it again. There you go. Okay, so we're looking at about almost 40 hours. That's 4 days using the logbook. Most likely will take 6. So we're looking at a 6-day trip. So if you do the math, they're paying you $3,700. And we have 2,501 miles. I'm gonna do a little rough estimate here of how much you will have left if you were the owner of this truck and you were actually paying a driver. So we have 2,500. I'm gonna divide that by 4 miles a gallon times $4. The average right now should be the gas price right now. Let's see, US diesel average should be 3 something, 3.59. So I'm gonna go for $4. It's the way that I do. I always go up. So we have 2,610 miles divided by 4 times 4. So we're gonna have $2,610 in diesel. Then we're gonna go for the driver. My drivers get paid 30% of the load. So the driver gets paid 1,110. And we're gonna stop right there because that right there already, it's actually 3,720, which is more, a lot more, for $20 more than what we're actually gonna get paid for this. This is why the car carrier company is going down. They're not paying enough. There's not enough cars or all that cheap or whatever, but the brokers are not paying what they're supposed to be paying. Even if I fill the truck completely up, the numbers will still not give you the good result. The price of the gas is going up. The truckers want to get paid more, so everything is going up except how much we're getting paid. And when you look at it, you're putting $150,000 of equipment in the line just to make maybe $1,000 in a week or 2 weeks. So this is definitely not worth it at this time.